jumping straight back into it. Today, as you can tell by the title of this video, today we are going to be listening to Beep Beep by the one and only Jessica Jung. Now, if you don't know who my girlie is, where have you been? She is the second main vocal in Girls' Generation, OT9 for life. You cannot erase Jessica. So, if you don't know, very big fallout. You can find videos on that. I'm not here to get political. I am of the stance that she did nothing wrong. She should have been allowed to keep Blanc and Eclair and still promote. But I digress. This is Beep Beep, Jessica's big comeback into K-pop after, how long has it been since my decade? Holy shit, that was 2017. This mini album is 6 songs. Better late than never. Beep Beep, Get It, Got It Good, featuring Shake That Brass herself. Best Summer, Set Me Free, Beep Beep Korean version. Let's just start. Better late than never, ever.
Just wanna make it right, better late than never. Feeling I need more. Tell me how you really feeling. I ain't never living my life for another. Hold tight, take a flight. Feeling little lace, baby, we can use the space.
My camera battery died and I also brought a fan, so if it's a lot louder, I'm so sorry. It's really hot in here. So that was Better Late Than Never. I really like it. Oh, there's an ad truck.
Oye vecino, ¿te enteraste? Ya abrió Le Parfum, el paraíso.
I don't care about your perfumes. The fuck? I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. I think it functions as like a cute little intro. Now it's time for the title track, Beep Beep.
Let me blow your mind. Oh, can we do?
They're gonna fuck!
You're checking me out. You gotta do better, boo. All the way across the room. I can take it in the mood. You got a thing for me. Matter of fact, well, you really got it bad for me. Don't you? But you take it slow. You can't stop the fire that's burning right in your eyes. Oh, boy,
That was Beep Beep. Okay, I like it. She's cute. She's cute. Okay, I was a little worried, not going to lie, because in the mood sampler, no, the album spoiler, it was like a little crazy. I'll give it a 9. I don't think it has the 10 because I need it to grow on me a little bit, but I really like it. Makes it shake that brass.
when I'm looking back, I can't look to find it funny. Didn't stand the test of time. I could not have saved us even if I tried. Baby, tell me why you're looking down. Look at me now. See what you lost. I'm so long gone. You did what I never could.
Said you would ride for me, showed up to lie to me. Called your bluff, you out of luck.
My fingers still be covered in rings.
Is that Amber singing?
Never saved us even if I tried.
Get me up all night with my tears that never dry.
You looking down, look at me now. See what you did. You did what I never could.
I'm calling your mama for help. She'll be telling you told you so. Tell me why you're looking down. Look at me now. Tell me why you did what I never get it, got it, good. Tell me why you do what I never could. Get it, got it, good.
Wow. I thought that this was gonna suck just because Amber's on it. I am unfortunately an occasional Amber sympathizer. However, this ate. The fuck? This really ate. This should have been the title track. This should have been the title track. I know that both of y'all are like blacklisted in Korea. Annyeong. But this had no business being that good. And I was afraid that Miss Amber was gonna hop on the track and I was gonna click off. Because in the album spoiler, the tell me why, that bit, oh my god. I showed you, I got chills twice. And then at the end, which she did, and it's like a 12. I am literally going to be listening to the song nonstop. I'm going to be that annoying with it. I'm so sorry. Neighbors, y'all are gonna have to tell me why. Because, I don't know. Next up is Best Summer. Best ever summer without you. Why do some of the lyrics like appear like this and some of the others don't? I don't know.
I'm checking your message. I'm counting the exit sign. Never did I ever wanna run from this, but I was wrong. And it's been summer without you. 'Cause baby, I'm not thinking about you. 'Cause I'm not doing whatever I want to. Party in Malibu, drinking before the trip. Welcome to summer without you. I've been lying, said I don't regret the night. Forgot your taxes, don't worry what I do. It's gonna be a better day without you. Try not to call you. That's never summer without you.
That was Best Summer. I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna give it like a 9. I don't like it. I would have given it a 10, but I don't like the fact that the second verse is essentially a clone of the first verse. But that's fine. Next up, Set Me Free. I don't think I'm gonna like this song. I'm open to being wrong. But I didn't like it in the sampler.
You know how beautiful you are. Let them hate on you. That's what they gonna do. I can be the one to set you free. Set me free. It's all about what's inside. You can do your soul and set it free.
That's my least favorite song off the mini. I'm gonna give it like a 6. Ideally, this could have been 4 songs and Beep Beep Korean version. Let's hear Beep Beep Korean version though. I really like the beginning of Beep Beep. I can't lie to you. That was Beep Beep, the 4th mini album by Jessica Cars. I'm gonna give it a 9. I surprisingly really like most of these songs. You go get it, girl. But now, I am going to go against what SM is doing. And instead of having all of their girl groups release music this month to suppress Jessica, unification, babes. We are also surprised, not really surprised because it was probably in the title. This is Taeyeon's To.x, the 5th mini album. It is 6 songs, 18 minutes. This is gonna be the first ever Taeyeon feature on this channel. And there's something you need to know. I am a Taeyeon stan. But, I believe in, what was it? I think it's Tensik? I think that's their ship name. I believe in their supremacy. Because they were just those girls. So this is 6 songs, 18 minutes, 2X, Melt Away, Burn It Down, Nightmare, All for Nothing, and Fabulous. So let's see how they compare. Is she gonna throw see?
To.x.
That was To.x. I'm gonna give it a 10 because it's a great song. Like, are we surprised? No. However, granted, I have not heard IMVU, the like album. Of course I've heard the song, and I've heard a lot of the songs. However, 2X feels like an intro, not a title track. To me. And I don't know. Obviously this is a better quality song. Do I know what it's saying? No. Because I don't speak Korean yet. But I don't know. I'm not. They're both good. Next up is Melt Away. Is this whole album gonna be R&B? I'm sad.
Tell me what you feeling. Head into the morning, baby. 그러니까 맡겨봐.
Taeyeon. Bendición. It's been like 20 minutes. I forgot what the Taeyeon song sounds like. This is so good. Larson. That's why I slap. Wow. She really ate that. She is in her Latina era. Because what? That one gets a 12. I mean, hello? Jesus Christ. Next up is Burn It Down. Nantao Lada. Woo! 멈추지 않게 무너져버린 나를 돌아가는 모진 말들에 너만의 이유로 끊을까도 놓고 뭘 원해 So if you leave me 사라져 남김없이 burn it down 아무리 생각해도 진심은 조금 더 완벽히 다른 너와 또 내가 손에 I am gone burn it down. That was Burn It Down. I can't give it anything lower than like a 7.5 or 8 because it sounds good. It's just not as interesting after. Next up is Nightmare, I'm joy. Nightmare, I'm joy. 날이 줄여 하진 않아 넓은 품에 좁은 너를 담아줬단 거
거칠진 저절로 깎아줄 수 없는 거야 몇몇 우리가 네가 딱 하나를 한다 상처받는 꿈을 꾸야
That was Nightmare. I have no problems with it. Sonically, it's great. Vocally, another stellar performance by Taeyeon. It's just not interesting to me. I'll give it like a 7. Next up is All or Nothing. Now she got both Jihyo and the Nayeon a title in 1 minute.
아프게 반복해도 but this time 날 짓들려온 내 영혼은 이전거를 미련하는 자존심 I give you all for nothing 긴 외로움을 알면서 but this time 이 말들은 adios Don't be 어버린 내 내 눈물 한 방울 I give you all for nothing
That was All for Nothing. I'll give it like an 8. I have to read the lyrics on it because her delivery is beautiful. But when is it not? Like, this is fucking Taeyeon we're talking about. Next up is the last song on the album, Fabulous. Darling, I'm a masterpiece. Period.
Darling, I'm a masterpiece of work of art
This is all in English.
Come on, need a kiss, kiss. Oh, when I walk down the boulevard, people call my name. She's so bad, but she classy. How she do it, don't ask me. Diamonds on my wrist. Come on, need a kiss, kiss. Don't you know I'm well like caviar, tasty on your plate. I'm so bad. Hi, my name is Fabulous. You're very smart. I'm your sunshine. I'm your star. Masterpiece of work of art.
That was fabulous. Okay. That was To.x, the 5th mini album by Taeyeon. I'm going to collectively give it a 7 out of 10. I liked, okay, standout tracks. Melt Away. It's so good. You know? She was giving. It was really giving. To.x is nice, but it did confirm my suspicion that To.x felt like an intro. And Melt Away, to me, felt like a title track, which is ironically the same problem with Jessica's. Now, sonically, I do prefer Taeyeon's because I like SM's sound, unfortunately. It took me like 3 years to admit it, but here I am. I am an SM stan. However, on a song-by-song basis, I prefer Jessica's, which is not something that I was expecting. I am a diehard Jessica fan. You cannot take that away from me. However, she obviously does not have SM money, but the fact that she was able to go head-to-head in this comparison, in my opinion, shows that girlie's got some power. Now, I like okay, let me explain. The reason why I like Jessica's a little bit more is because she did more of what I traditionally like. She showed off a little bit more vocally, with the exception of Melt Away. Taeyeon was putting her thrussy all on display. That rhymed. Hire me. And so, yeah, collectively, I love both of these mini albums. I want somebody to mash up To.x and beep beep. I don't know how. Somebody's gonna do it. It's not gonna be me, but it could be you. You know, because the mashup of Fly and Y, so good. So yeah. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below which mini album was your favorite and which song was your favorite from each mini. For me, for Jessica's, it has to be Get It, Got It, Good. And for Taeyeon, it's Melt Away. There is just no competition. And so yeah, remember that I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys whenever I see you.